All right, Ray, this one's for you. This is the Delta by Marriott down in Burnaby. It's right near the highway and Wellington. Of course, I'm staying here on the 7th floor, and we have that little peephole thing, which is of course great for keeping out light. Kind of standard fare with the do not disturb sign. And in the front closet, we have a little safe where you should never keep valuables. Kind of never hangers. Board. We do have a couple drawers here. Got no sandwiches or dirty socks in these, so that's nice. And then back here, we have the bathroom. Relatively on the smaller side, however, still quite nice. Glass shelving. The commode. Of course, looks like separate lighting for the actual shower area. And what I love is a separate control for the fan, which is very quiet. Oh, that is nice. Yeah. Looks like we have shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all kind of already there and going. Moving more into the room. Looks like we have a little area with some water. Little cooler there. Almost like a desk, but not quite. And up in here, of course, I have a fridge stocked with nothing but cold air, which is exactly how I like it. The room itself, it's like one king bed. Alarm clock, lamp post, lamps over there, desk, a chair with a table on it. There's the desk with what is probably about a 55-inch TV. Nice little feature here, just some place to hang your coat, just in case you need a place to hang your coat. Lots of open room over here, like way too much open room. Like they should have put something here. And of course, looking out, you see the beautiful view of the highway, the mountains, and some of North Burnaby's beautiful skyline. It is fairly loud, but hopefully that should subside in the night. That's the room tour.